To incorporate a warranty module into your experience, adhere to the following instructions. Firstly, open the experience for which you want to add warranty module. Once the experience opens, go to the Build Experience section. You will find several modules here. Click on the warranty module option and drag it to this section over here. Now click on the module name drop-down and click on the new module. Enter module name, enter call to action. To customize the warranty duration, input the desired period, such as 10 days. You can customize it for 10 months. You can customize it for 10 years or lifetime. Within the Warranty Details section, you have the option to enter comprehensive information regarding your warranty, including terms and conditions for claiming, along with other pertinent details. Here I will enter some details. You can also input an image to make your module more colorful. Click on the Insert Image option. Click on the Drop Image. Select the image. You can see the text and the image that you have added. If you want to further customize it, these are the options that you can utilize. Click Save. So here is your experience. Click on the warranty module. User would have to enter their email or sign up with Gmail to access the warranty module. So I will enter my email. Here is where the user would input their first name, last name, and phone number. Click on Continue, and this is your warranty experience. You can also review the set duration time as per your customization.